Hello guys, we took very beautiful trade in the NY session as well. I shared my analysis and breakdown of the trade that we took in the London session on M15 order block, how we took the trade. You guys can check my YouTube channel, it's already uploaded. And let me break down the analysis of NY session trade, which we took on live stream. You guys can check the live stream as well. Now, how we took that trade. In the London session, you can see the price was ranging right in this area. So we took the trade at this M5 or M15 order block. Now, before New York open, the price break this low as well. So we got the break of structure, right? And after getting the break of structure, we were waiting for the pullback. And on that pullback, we got this beautiful order block with the fair value gap. At first, just give me a moment. At first, the price swept out this, like invalidated this, but it was a wick. If the price closed above that order block, maybe this setup was invalidated. But the price wicked, and then the M5 candle closed below this order block, like outside of this order block. As I told you, I always wait for the M5 candle to close outside of the zone, even if it is supply, demand, order block, or fair value gap, or anything. I just wait for the confirmation with the M5 candle closing. So here I waited for the M5 candle to close outside of this order block, which confirmed my sell entry. I entered at the closing of this candle, putting my stop loss on top of this and targeting this low. So that was a clean trade in the NY session. And if you want to trade like this, if you want to learn more strategies, if you want to learn how I trade and how I target these high risk to reward trades, just follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.